guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tejaswini. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video I'm going to be showing an amazing chicken curry. So simple. So without any further delay, let's get started. In a bowl I'm taking 500 grams of chicken with skin, half a cup of curd. To that I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix everything thoroughly. Let it marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, looks good. On the other side, in a pan, I'm adding 3 to 4 teaspoons of oil, a bay leaf, so aromatic, garam masala spices, a small piece of cinnamon, 2 cloves, 2 cardamom. Beautiful. Saute it a little bit until it turns aromatic. To that I'm adding 2 medium sized chopped onions, 2 slit green chilies. Fry well until soft. To that I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt. Remember, we have added the salt to the meat as well. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Nice. Fry really well until the onion turns slightly golden. This is what we are looking for. Nice. Now let's add the marinated chicken. This curry is so mild and so refreshing because these are the only spices we are using. So combine everything well. Followed by half a glass of water. Close the lid and cook for 5 to 8 minutes on medium flame. Okay, this is done. Let's check. Oh my god, look at the color, so beautiful. Also the fats are separated, that's a good sign. Mix the curry well. Even the consistency looks great. Also, I'll link the simple egg curry video here, here. Please check it out. Add some coriander leaves. Et voila, it's done. Today I'm having the curry with rice. You can also have it with roti or chapati. Please tag us on Instagram if you try and like it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, and I'll be joining you guys in my next video. See ya!